Hi Warriors, we're going to show you how to make a copy of the template that you're going to use for your portfolio. So you're going to go ahead and open up the link in your Google Classroom, click on the pencil in the bottom right hand corner to edit, and then you're going to click the three dots at the top of the page, choose make a copy. Be sure you type your name, first name, last initial, then your graduating year. Check the box share with same editors and select entire site. Now you can find your copy in the Sites app in the 9 Square, or you could go to sites.google.com, or you can find it in your email. So once you found your copy in the Sites app, you can begin to edit it. Now you can edit your copy of the template with your name and last initial. You can also click on the placeholder, click the plus, add a picture. You can upload a picture from your download files in your Chromebook, or you can add one from your Google Drive. Add some personal information about yourself, like hobbies and pets. Please do not put any private information, like your address, your full name, your birth date, social security. In the self-reflection section, you all have a copy of the WMS Learner Preferences. So click on the plus sign in the placeholder, then search your drive for this document, and we'll use this at a later date. Okay, once you found it, click on it. And you can also scroll down after that, and we have a place for assessments, awards, and certifications. So as you go through your 3 years, if you get Student of the Month award or anything else, you can take a scan, picture, or screenshot of the document, upload it to your drive, and place it there. Then you have to publish the website. It's not really going anywhere, but click Publish to save your changes. If you need to add content to it or make updates or find it, you can always go to your Google 9 Square and find the Sites app. Click on that, and you will find the editable site. That's it.